Hi, this is Catherine with BRIG USA, and today I'm going to show you some of the main differences between the BRIG Eagle series and the BRIG Falcon series. Here we have the Falcon 380 HT and the Eagle 380. Both are 3.8 meters in length, which is the equivalent to 12.5 feet. With one boat from each respective line, let's see how these two boats compare. The Eagle series is designed with style and comfort in mind. The molded hull was specifically constructed to be a good-looking and aesthetically pleasing yacht tender. The console is not only more sleek, but also slicked back, which really helps attest to the intention of making the Eagle ribs look more sporty in design. With more fiberglass, the Eagle is heavier than its Falcon counterpart. However, it does allow it to take a motor with a larger horsepower. The Falcon series is designed with functionality in mind. With a more utilitarian type of style, the Falcon series is lighter and is the better choice for those who may have weight restrictions. The retrofit console and seating, as well as the open molded design, makes this the better option for those who may be more price conscious. As previously mentioned, the Eagle boats have more fiberglass. The extra fiberglass give the boats an extended running surface and waterline length. Both boats will get you from point A to point B. It just depends on what you're looking for and what your must-haves are. With the Eagle series, you get more creature comforts, although each model has a different set of features with more options as we get into the bigger boats. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand some of the key differences in BRIG models. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks, bye!